Hi everyone, Jeremy here from Video Studio, and today a quick video to share with you a free sample from our glitch transition pack. So if you're ready, let's check it out. Alright, so you can download that glitch transition with the link in the description below. You will get the zip file, just double click on it to unzip it. It will give you the folder. In the folder you have a couple of things. You have the license, the installation instruction, and the DRFX file. Simply double click on the DRFX file to start the installation process. Just click install and then you can go over to Davinci Resolve. In the edit page of Davinci Resolve, simply go over to Effect, Video Transition, Video Editor Studio, and then you'll find it in sample right here under glitch transition sample. You can then just take it and drag it in between your clip. But as you can see right now, it doesn't work because my clip haven't been trimmed yet. So make sure to just trim your two clips and then you can just bring them together. And after that, you can bring the transition. You basically need to give a bit of a handle for the transition to be able to apply. It's the case for any transition in any video editing software. Now let's play it. Here we go. Right now, I'm getting a real-time playback, but depending on the computer, you may not. So what I would recommend is going over to playback, bring the cache, and then here, activate smart. That will just bring that bar right above the transition, and basically that's gonna cache in the background. So when that's turning from red to blue, that means that the transition has been fully cached in and you will be able to get real-time playback, even if your computer is not very powerful. But you shouldn't run into any issue because this transition is pretty easy to play. Right now, you can extend or reduce the length of that transition and it will automatically adapt. However, for glitch transition, I will generally recommend to keep it for as short as possible on the screen because that's matching a lot better for that type of stuff. So just a few frames, like half a second, will be enough in my opinion. As I've just shown you, you can do that directly here onto the transition, but those changes are reflected, as you can see right now in the inspector. You can see the exact duration and frame of the length of the transition. Then here in the inspector, there is a couple of things that you can adjust. You can adjust the overall movement strength. So right now when we're playing it, as you can see, there is some displacement going on with the frame. So you can basically adjust the strength of that displacement right here. If you want to have something that is very strong, you can do that. And as you can see right now, the displacement has been a lot further than originally. At any moment, you can just double click on a parameter to reset that parameter to default. You also have control over the animation in and out, so you can choose between a different kind of curve. And then lastly, you can choose the composite mode. So we named it glitch style because it affects greatly the style of the transition. Right now it's in pin light, but for example, here, if I were to choose something else, like exclusion, for example, you will get something very different. I'm just gonna toggle in between a few different styles to show you how much it's affecting the overall image. So here as overlay, as you can see, everything is quite dark. If you were to choose something like hypotenuse, you will get something a bit more saturated. Then here you will be again very different, so you can just play around with those different composite mode to get exactly what you want, and it will just basically give you like very different results. So just experiment with those different styles and pick what suits your project best. So as you can see, it's very easy to use and in my opinion they look great. If you like those kind of transition, you can check on our website. We just released a pack with 20 different glitch transition. There's a lot of different style, from mosaic to classic RGB split, some pixel effect. So I'll let you check that out. We've also released a demo video that you can check out. Anyway, I hope this sample will be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Speed up your workflow and create better videos using the pack available on our website, including titles, transition, and templates built only for Davinci Resolve. Get started today by downloading our free starter pack that contains over 150 elements. Link in the description below or at videoeditorstudio.com.